We must rise to take responsibility and rethink the circular economy. A holistic environmental approach is needed that considers a radical decarbonization of materials to reduce the impact on our planet. A bold ambition towards increasing sustainable packaging can help mitigate climate change and address other environmental concerns while we see the population is growing as it is. And with consumers voting with their wallets, remember, the consumer power, they vote with their wallets. This incentivizes food industry to gain competitiveness through traceability and sustainability proof points, such as low carbon packaging. Remember,